Today we're hooking up a double DIN screen deck to a 2006 Jaguar S-Type. All you need is the wire harness, the stereo harness, and the antenna adapter, which is right here. Buy this kit, it will come with all this. The only thing you need right now is the one in a circle, because we're installing a double DIN. Everything else is not circles for a single DIN, so you have the option of using a single DIN or a double DIN. This kit, if it's a Jaguar S-Type, your model's 2003 up to 2008. If you see these 4 nipples I circle, the reason why, you have the option to use it on an S-Type or an X-Type. This kit fits an X-Type as well. Your model 2002 up to 2008. But today we are installing it on a 2006 Jaguar S-Type, so you need to cut the front nipples off. If you're installing it on the X-Type, you need to cut the back nipples off. Just what you see on the picture. Here goes your wire harness. Here goes the wires behind the radio. All you gotta do is match the colors. You have 4 sets of speakers. One of them's a purple, one's a gray, one's white, and one's green. And then grab the red and the yellow and put those together. Red means power and the yellow's memory. If you do not put the red and yellow together, whenever you turn off your car and open your door, your stereo will stay on. So if you don't want that, make sure you put those 2 wires together. Then the last wire we're looking at is ground. After that, you're pretty much done. You're good to just plug it in, plug and play. And that's it, no cutting, no wires. This piece I'm putting on right here is so you cannot see no gaps around the radio. Once I have that plastic piece in there, I'm gonna go ahead and screw all the screws on. It's all done. All you gotta do is just plug it in, hook up your antenna. As you can see, this is an adapter, and it will plug into the car. And that's pretty much it. Well, you take this off right here. All this, you know, you will lift this up right here. You would take this cup holder off right here, and there's a screw that goes right there, but I already took it off. There's another one that goes right there. You already took it off too. And once you pull that, you can pull this out. See it? That's how the middle piece comes out. And then you got the lighter. You gotta unplug the lighter, don't forget. Okay? So I already took mine apart. If you look at my YouTube channel, I have a video on how to take all this off, but like I said, I took mine off already to make this quick. I wanted to show you how to wire everything. This is just clip on. This is 2, like I said, just watch under here because there's a teeth you don't want to break. As you can see it right there, okay? All right, now you gotta take this screw off right here, this one there, and there's another one right there. After that, you unscrew these. You got one there, one right here, another one right there, and another one right there. There's only 4. Start taking those off. Once you take off those 4 screws I'm telling you, you want to put your foot on the brake. You can put this on drive. You can put it on drive, put the emergency brake on, and I recommend putting a rag over this so you won't scratch it. Okay, remember I already took those 2 screws off too. The next thing you want to do is pull out the radio. See it? Pull out the radio, just like this. You see behind her how it looks? All right. So as you can see, this came off her. That's what I want. So now what I'm finna do, I'm finna unplug everything. These 3 right here, well, these are for your AC. So you're gonna, these are right on top. You're gonna squeeze it, pull it out, squeeze it, pull it out. And this one here, you can squeeze down right here, and pull it out. See it? Okay, we got those already. Okay. This wire you see right here, this one here, that's your antenna. Okay? So you want to pull this out. You're gonna squeeze right here. It has a little clip. Then you can pull it out. You see it? This one right here, these are to the radio. So you're gonna squeeze this down right here and pull it out. Same thing with this one. Squeeze it, pull it out. The whole thing comes out, right? So now what you gotta do, you have some screws that go right here. See it, one there, and another one right here. Well, I took mine out already. I just figured I don't want to use them. So anytime I change out my radio, I ain't gotta take off all these crazy screws. So the only ones I got left is this one right here, and this one, and that will release the whole radio from right here down. You see it? From right here down, and it will just leave this part right here. So let me show you. So you see it, right? So then you grab this radio. You see these little nipples right here? 1, 2. They're gonna sit right in those holes. See it? Just like that. Get up to the harness of the car. This already all hooked up. All you gotta just plug and play. There it goes, right? I already put a DVD in there, so let's see if it plays. Once parking brake. So pretty much she goes this green wire, I cut it. And once you cut the tip, now you gotta go to your ground wire. You see it right here? You can cut that open, and then you're gonna touch the green with the ground, and that should let you play the movie. Okay, look. So watch this. There goes the green. I cut the green. There goes the ground, right? We're gonna touch them. Right there. You see how it's playing a movie now? Watch this. Look them up. Watch this. I'm gonna let it go. See it? Let it go. I'm gonna touch it. See it? That's how you do it. So here goes the antenna to the factory car. The adapter, it goes right here. All right. It's gonna clip onto that one.